Hey, how's it going, everybody? So tonight we have a very special unboxing. I found an insanely cool pipe, so I had to buy it. It does need some work, but I think we can figure it out. So let's get right into it. So the pipe in question. This is the case. It is very, very big. So, let's open this up and see what is inside. This is a pipe that I actually found recently on Marketplace. Now, it needs a lot of work. The actual bit is broken off. There's so much stuff that needs to be done to it, but I think that we can get this thing rolling again. So it's broken off in here as well. I think I can glue this onto it and then be able to get the draw to actually come through. That's going to be the trickiest part, is not actually gluing the hole shut. But I'm showing you guys here because I want you to be able to see it. This thing is beautiful. It looks as if it has perfectly broken with no cracks in a couple of different areas. Now, this is going to be a very hard piece together, kind of like a puzzle. Just looking at this, actually getting it to fit all together is going to be quite difficult. But because it's such a unique piece, I just had to get it. It was not very expensive at all, because it didn't need a lot of work. I was able to grab this for under $10. And that was $10 shipped. This is going to be a piece that I get to work on, just kind of be like a little project of ours, trying to get this up and running. It's just a beautiful pipe, and like how long it is so unique in being able to see. I mean, it's like a straight Gandalf pipe. Like, it's huge. The bowl looks nice. I mean, it looks clean, needs a little bit of polishing. The band is sterling silver, so we get to see all of that. It is just a really, really beautiful pipe. What does it say? MPW? Yeah. So it's a French briar, and it's going to need a lot of TLC. So this is going to be a passion project of ours. There will be more upcoming videos on me showing you guys my process working on this. I've talked to a couple people. They've mentioned some things for me that I'm going to try, see if they work. It may be one of those things where I have to get someone professional to remake the stem for me, if it's a little bit out of my expertise or something that I can just learn on my own. But I think this is still a really cool pipe to spend some time with, and I hope here soon, maybe over the next couple of months, that we can actually get this bad boy up and running and in a video with me smoking it. I think that would be absolutely amazing. That's definitely my goal, is I would love to be sitting with this pipe and smoking it. When I saw it, I just absolutely fell in love with it, and I hope that I can restore it to some remnants of its former glory. The twisted amber on this is just beautiful. So I really hope that you guys stick around, follow with my progress on redoing and kind of reshaping this pipe. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then make sure you check out my other videos. We have a lot of videos about pipes, pipe tobacco, bourbon, scotch, all those fun things. So I'll see you guys in the next video.